Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming to you guys with a video where we will be doing a style inspired by Yara Shahidi that was worn to the NAACP Awards. If you guys have not seen that style, I'll show it here. Very cute natural hairstyle. We'll be using some Marley hair today. And we're going to shoot our shot. Hopefully we can nail it. Let's get into it. So for starters, you want to make sure that you have your braid pieces. So far I've done 2. I saw that she only had 3 braids. They were a lot slimmer than my braids, but because mine are actually shorter than hers, I went for, a little bit thicker of a braid for my look. Pulled 5 pieces of my Marley braiding hair. And I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make one of these. Okay, so don't talk about me guys, but we're going to use this water bottle here to help us out. We're going to do the best that we can. So I'm going to wrap. I'm going to take this, make it even on both sides, wrap it around the top of that, and I'm going to separate the hair the best way that I possibly can because it's not going to be even. And I'm going to start my braid. I'm going to pull it tightly or else it will fall off of this bottle. And I'm just going to braid it just like that. And once I get to the end, I'm going to take that rubber band right there and I'm going to wrap that around. Okay guys, so now that we have all 3 of our braids complete, you want to make sure that you have your hair up in a sleek ponytail, just as I do. I slicked down my baby hairs and everything beforehand. And now I'm going to split my hair up. And this is optional, but I just want to make sure that everything blends, pretty well. So I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to do 3 braids. Just so that I'm adding some of this Marley braiding here into my hair. I think it'll help everything to blend well in the end. At least I'm hoping it will. I'm only using 1 strand for that. 1 strand each. You guys already know what I'm going to do in the end since I only did 3 braids. I'm going to combine the braids. And as you guys can see, I'm kind of getting that shape started. So I'm going to start by placing 1 here. And I'm going to go to the loop that I have there. I'm going to take each bobby pin through the middle, like through the inside of the hair, because I don't want any of them sticking out. So I'm going to kind of stick it in there just like that and pull it out like that. And then pin it where I would like it. And there's going to be a lot of pinning going on from within the braid. We're going underneath that braid anytime that we bobby pin, because we don't want any of our bobby pins showing, and pin it. Underneath the braid and pin it. So that's one braid. And I also want to add a bobby pin underneath here. And I'm just going to slide that up through the braid so it holds it in place. And it looks like this now. Keep it in position. I'm sliding it, if you guys can see. If you look this way, I'm sliding it just like that. And then you're going to pin it in position. And I told you guys that I think Yara had 3. I think I may do an extra. I think I might take one in the back, the very last one. Okay, now that I have everything together, make sure all my bobby pins are pushed in. Got a bit of a hump going on right there, so I'm going to take another bobby pin, push that on in, honey. So guys, I was struggling to find something because she had like these really cute jewels in her hair. So what I came up with, some old earrings attached to some bobby pins. I'm gonna slide that right there and stand it up. And I'm going to slide the other. Guys, I tried my very best to add like some little gold jewels up there, but they're not quite cooperating with me. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully she'll see this one because she has retweeted a video of mine before. Yeah, we are done. I think this look is so cute. So if you guys enjoyed this look, please give me a good old thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.